Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to start and grow a dance YouTube channel in 2024. First of all, let me tell you how did I start this channel. FYI, I did not have any intention to start this channel at all. I just wanted to join the audition from Believed, if I'm not wrong. So I was supposed to post an audition video on YouTube and submit the link to the form. So I posted a video of me dancing. The video got some views, which was like more than 4K, I guess, and some comments. So I'm like, wow, I can get the views. Why don't I just keep doing this? So I started learning about the YouTube monetizations and all kind of stuff. Like that, I started the channel and keep doing it until now. So before talking about how to grow your channel, let me tell you the requirements of YouTube monetizations. So you're gonna need 1K subscriber and 4,000 view hours within a year to get monetized, or 1K subscriber and 10 million YouTube short views in the last 90 days. But don't worry, if you want to know how to get the subscribers and view hours, keep watching the video. So if you're thinking about starting a dance YouTube channel, I would suggest you to start with YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are videos that are not more than 1 minute, and it's like Instagram Reels and TikTok videos, so it can get views very easily. I also started with those kind of shorts video, and every video has like at least 500 views. And if you're lucky, you can get viral and your videos get a lot of views and it can lead to subscribers. I also had like 2 or 3 videos that got more than 100k or 200k views when I started the channel, and it gave me certain amount of subscribers. And I also had one video which got more than 1.2 or I forgot 1.5 million views. So it gave me a lot of subscriber from those shorts video, and it helped me get 1K subscriber within a year very easily. Another thing is promote your channel on social media. Let people around you know that you started doing this, and you're gonna need their support. Your friends gonna support you, your family gonna support you along the way. So it's okay to ask for their help. And please don't forget to share your video on social media. What I do is, like, whenever I upload the video on YouTube, I cut the hook part and around like 10 to 15 seconds, and I post it on Instagram story and Facebook My Day, and I put the YouTube link in the caption, and like you're gonna watch the full video here, like that. I lead them to my YouTube channel. So yeah, you can do that too. This is the very important part. Please make effort for your video. Please make it perfect. But perfect doesn't mean you're gonna need the perfect setup or like perfect camera, perfect outfit. No, definitely not. You can find a nice place to take your video, like clear background and like a nice outfit and good lighting, and make yourself pretty. And the most important thing is your dance moves. Practice before you film the video. Practice as much as you could so your video come out very well. If your video quality is high, trust me, people are gonna love it. So please make effort for your video. And if you don't know how to practice, I have the video for you. You can check it out in my channel, and I'm gonna have it for you in the description as well. So this is gonna be the last 2 tips, and you're gonna love it because these are the tips that can give you a lot of views and subscribers. The first one is try the trends. Try the famous dance challenges and dance to famous music. When I started the channel, I danced to every possible Blackpink songs, and it gave me the best view ever. And the second thing is be quick. Yes, try to be quick. Whenever the song is out, be ready, practice and post it if you think you're ready. I even used to do the cover dance for the teaser of K-pop music video. So be quick, be unique, and it can grow your channel very fast. I know it's really hard to get 4K view hours within a year by doing dance videos, but I have the trick for you. It is creating how-to contents. If you have enough time to create dance tutorials, is perfect because those kind of videos are long and it can get like certain views. So you can get view hours very easily. But if you don't know how to do those kind of dance tutorial videos, or you don't have enough time to do that, you can do this kind of K-pop related videos. Yes, those kind of videos can be very long and people love to watch it, so I also do that, and it can give you like some kind of view hours. And the last thing is put the interesting thumbnails. That is the main thing that people click your video and watch your video. So put the interesting thumbnails and write the perfect title for your video. So these are tips and tricks for people who are thinking about starting a new dance YouTube channel. These are just my opinions, so we might have different opinions, but I hope this video will help you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. See you in the next video. Bye!